si Boss Madam. Ganyan po talaga siya. Ganyan po talaga siya. Do you want water? Do you want water? Ay, ang sungit ah. Ang sungit-sungit ah. Ang sungit ng Boss Madam. Ang sungit-sungit niya. Sino ba masungit? Ha? Sino? Sino nagka-cry? Are you mad? Are you mad? Sabi ni Mami, ni Miss Rachel, di ba? Pag mad, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Oh, you're no longer mad na! Di ba? Very good talaga! Oh, hi! Say hi, girl. Hi na, baby. Ay. Don't you worry like I want you, baby. Don't you need me like I need you now. Say, dan 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 dan.